In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find vacant seats using the IRCTC app and also how you can quickly add a direct access link to the IRCTC online charts page inside your WordPress website. This is perfect if you run a travel blog, railway information site, or booking assistance platform and want your visitors to easily check vacant seats in just one click. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first step is to go to your WordPress dashboard. Open your browser and log into your WordPress admin panel by entering your website URL followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password, and once you log in, you'll land on the main WordPress dashboard. This is where you control your entire website, including pages, posts, design, and settings. Now that you're inside the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to Pages. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a menu with different options. Click on Pages. This will open a list of all the pages currently available on your website. From here, you can either edit an existing page where you want to add the IRCTC vacant seat link, or you can create a brand new page by clicking on Add New at the top. If you're creating a dedicated page for helping users find vacant seats using the IRCTC app, clicking Add New is a great option. If you already have a travel resources page, simply click Edit under that page name. Once you're inside the page editor, go to the Content area or Sidebar section where you want to add the button or link. Now you need to add a button that directs users to the official IRCTC online charts page. The link you'll use is irctc.co.in/online-charts. This is the page where users can check train charts and view vacant seat information. To add this, you can insert a button block if you're using the WordPress block editor. Click the plus icon, search for button, and add it to your page. Then paste the IRCTC online charts URL into the button link field. You can rename the button text to something clear, like Check Vacant Seats on IRCTC, so visitors immediately understand its purpose. If your theme allows custom HTML and you prefer more control, you can also add a custom HTML block and manually insert a styled anchor tag with the IRCTC link. This is useful if you want advanced styling or tracking. After adding the button or link, make sure to review the page layout. Adjust alignment, spacing, and placement so the button stands out and is easy to find. The goal is to make it simple for users to quickly access vacant seat information without confusion. Next, click on Highlight if your editor provides a highlighting option, especially if you want to visually emphasize important instructions or the button itself. Highlighting can draw attention to the call to action and improve user experience. This is particularly helpful if the page includes step-by-step guidance on how to use the IRCTC app. Once everything looks good, click Update if you edited an existing page or Publish if this is a new page. Your visitors can now directly access the IRCTC online charts page from your website and check vacant seats easily. And that's it. You've successfully set up a quick way for users to find vacant seats using the IRCTC app through your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.